What's going on, guys? Welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today we're going to be working on this guy, LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15 Liberty Walk, the gold version, and this guy, Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32. As you can see, I already got everything kind of laid out, so we could just move along and make this quicker. So as you guys are working on your cars or really on any hobby, the more you do it, the faster you'll get. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. So for this one, I picked out these rims. I think it'll look really good with the gold. And of course, for the Nissan, we went with these guys, just black on black. Now, I was lucky enough to find this one not too long ago at a Family Dollar near me. It looks like they've had like an old box in the back. And you can tell it was beat up. So that's why it doesn't hurt to set this one free and do a rim swap on it. All right, and for the next one, we're gonna do the Skyline. Well, it kind of sucks because the paint's a little messed up right there. But for $1.25, what do you expect? Same thing on the spoiler. And here is the Nissan Silvia wide body kit, Liberty Walk edition. Now I did notice that the rims did look like a little bit more greener on one side and a little bit more purple on the other side, even though they are anodized. So I had to redo them a little bit to make sure they, the purple and purple and the green and the green. But so here's a look at the Skyline. I think it came out pretty nice, even though the casting was a little messed up and a little scratched, but black on black always looks really good in my opinion. And here they go, both of them together. Again, the anodized and gold, I feel like go really, really well together. And I know this is more of a gunmetal than a black, but again, the dark and the black rims look really good. And that's going to do it for today, guys. And as always, happy hunting.